everyone! We're going to talk about something super important, your credit score. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix errors on your credit report using AI. Keep watching to the end, and I'll even show you how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, or the new boss in town, Anthropic, to actually create a letter to send to the credit reporting agencies. This should save you tons of time and frustration. These three little numbers of your credit score might seem small, but they pack a huge punch when it comes to your financial life. I'm sure you're aware, a good credit score can open up all kinds of awesome opportunities, from scoring low interest rates on loans to landing your dream apartment. But if your score is hurting because of some mistakes or errors, it can really cramp your style. Now, I know what you're thinking. Checking my credit report sounds about as fun as watching paint dry. I hear ya, but stick with me here. Imagine this scenario. You're looking to treat yourself to some new wheels, but when the dealer runs your credit, they find some bizarre medical debt you've never heard of. That pesky error is dragging down your score like an anchor, making it harder to qualify for that sweet, low-interest auto loan. This is where the real fun begins. It's time to become a credit report detective. First things first, grab yourself a free copy of your credit score and credit report from our website. I created a link in the description below for you. Pour over this bad boy like you're studying for a final exam, circling anything sketchy or flat-out wrong. Once you've found the culprit error, it's time to suit up and take action. Simply copy and paste the dispute letter that we've already created for you into the word processor of your choice. Pro tip: send that baby via certified mail so you've got a paper trail and they have to jump through some official hoops. It's kind of like sending a record-certified letter to your aunt, asking her to quit sending you ugly Christmas sweaters. They've got to take you seriously. Now here's where I'll drop some insider knowledge. Studies show that mailing in your dispute, rather than doing it online, makes it more likely the credit bureaus will actually put in the effort to investigate properly. In your letter, lay out all the details calmly and clearly, including copies of any documents or receipts that back up your case. You can even get extra sneaky and ask for a copy of the original contract with both your signatures, because corporations technically can't have a real wet ink signature. It's a neat little loophole that might help expose any shenanigans. From here, the credit bureau has to do their due diligence within 30 days. If that sketchy debt turns out to be legitimate, the error will be updated, but the debt itself will hang around. But if you're vindicated and it really was a mistake, that nasty mark gets scrubbed away, and your score could jump up by a decent chunk. We're talking potential 30-point glow-up according to the experts. Of course, fixing errors is just one part of boosting your credit score. You'll also want to make sure you're paying all your bills on time. That's like 35% of your score right there. Keeping your credit utilization relatively low, and not applying for every store card under the sun. If you're interested, we have just completed a video titled Credit Score Secrets: The Power of the Closing Date that we have also included in the description. Think of dealing with mistakes on your credit report like doing regular maintenance on a car. Tackle any minor issues and follow some basic upkeep, and you'll be smooth cruising for years. I know, this all sounds like a ton of work. But here's the thing. Protecting and improving your credit score pays off big time in the long run. It's an investment in your financial freedom and future opportunities. With a sparkling credit report, you'll have your choice of the best interest rates, approval odds, and maybe even some extra bargaining power at the dealership. I'll take it, but only if you throw in that sweet undercarriage protection package for free. Plus, you've got rights under this thing called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Basically, it says the credit bureaus have to keep their facts straight, and if they don't, you can call in the heavyweight enforcers at the Federal Trade Commission. No company wants the FTC kicking down their door. Look, I'm not gonna lie. Going through the dispute process can test your patience. It might take some persistence and follow-up to really get things resolved, but I promise it'll be worth it when you're pre-approved for that renovated dream home and the mortgage broker is visibly sweating over how perfect your credit is. The key takeaway: don't let any errors bring you down. You're the boss of your credit score. A little proactive management and not being afraid to fight for your rights can go a long way. So channel your inner financial superhero, strap on your disputing cape, and get ready to boost that score into the stratosphere. Your future of low interest rates, financial flexibility, and being the envy of your friends is just around the corner. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments. They may help someone else in a similar situation. Hopefully, I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much, and until next time, from myself and everyone here at Smart Wealth Management, have a great day.